Greetings everyone, in this video I will show you how to use latest Stable Diffusion STXLarge 0.9 on Google Colab. I have prepared a GitHub README file. The link of this file will be in the description of the video and also in the comment section of the video. Click this link to open Google Colab. To be able to use STXLarge, you need to have a Hugging Face account and accept terms and services for Stable Diffusion STXLarge version. First of all, click this link. You need to be logged in your Hugging Face account. Currently, I am logged into my account. Then you will see here, accept terms and services. You need to accept it. It will automatically verify you and then you will have this screen. Then you need to generate an access token. Click this link. You will get to this screen. Here, click new token. Give any name. Give role, read and write. Copy. Then in here, copy paste your access token. Don't worry, this will be only visible to you. No one else will see it. Click connect in here. This is really important. Make sure that you have connected and you have GPU. If you don't have a GPU, click change runtime and get a GPU. It works with a free GPU. These are my notebook settings. Then click play this icon. Click run anyway. Okay, we did set our access token. Click this play icon. It will download and install all of the necessary models, weights, and requirements for running STXLarge. Once the installation has been completed, you will see the green check mark here and it will show you a play icon like this. Then run this cell below. This will start a new Gradio interface that we will use. Once the files are downloaded and the requirements are installed, you will get a running on public URL link like this. Click it. And here now we have our own Stable Diffusion STXLarge 0.9 version. This is all for us. We can use it as much as we want. This is running in this Google Colab. As long as we run this will run. There are advanced settings. By default, it generates 4 images at the same time with 50 steps. There is refiner steps. I haven't tested them yet. I just got access, so I am just making a video for you. And there is also guidance scale. This is CFG as we know. So one of our Discord members told me to use this as a prompt. I will use it. Okay, I have entered my prompt. I will generate an image and we will see. When the first time you generate an image, it will load all of the weights into the VRAM and memory. Therefore, it will take some time. You will see the generation process here. Currently, it is taking 3.10 seconds per IT, but we are generating 4 images at the same time. So to get the correct IT, we need to multiply this by 4. So it becomes like 0.75 seconds per IT, which makes 1.3 IT per second for Stable Diffusion STXLarge on a free Google Colab notebook. Once you see the process 100%, be patient. The images will appear here. It is taking about 150 seconds to generate 4 images with 50 steps. I will also hopefully make a tutorial for Runpod and to run it on your computer as well. So it will probably run much faster on those platforms. Okay, these are the images we got. Wow, looking very amazing, very beautiful. This is also decent and cute. Wow, this is also pretty good, pretty amazing. These are native 1K resolution. Finding out the prompts and finding what is possible with Stable Diffusion STXLarge is up to you. So stay subscribed to see the new tutorials. Hopefully see you later.